Hey, it's Corey again. Glad to see you made it over here to the pricing page. On this page, I really just want to show you how simple the shopping cart is to use, how easy it is to integrate into your website, and really just how effective it is. Hopefully, win you over as a client. So, first of all, I'm going to show you the HTML form wizard. This is what we use to build the HTML code that you copy and paste into your website. So in here you'll see that there's a choose section, and in the choose section you have add item, view cart, empty cart, customer logon. Those are all buttons you can build for your website. However, for this one I'm just going to do an add to cart button. So first of all, you put in your client code, which when you sign up for our shopping cart you'll receive a client code, and that client code will be what identifies you with our shopping cart service. So for this I'm going to put in test. CGI directory is always the same, never changes, and you don't need to change it. In the item name, you're just going to put the name of your product. So for this one, I've just done a test of item name. In the quantity, I like to default it to 1. Some people like to have it at 0. If it's a one-of-a-kind item, you can check hide quantity, and then it won't give them an option to change the quantity. In price, I'm just going to put $100 as a test price there. Now you could build the add to shopping cart button with just this information. There's also some optional fields over here that you can use as well. If you identify your products with SKU numbers or part numbers, you can go ahead and enter the SKU number or part number in here. If you want to, on the shipping end of things, if you want to use, say, UPS, USPS, FedEx, DHL, the real-time shippers, you want to ship by weight, you need to put the weight of the product in this box here. Now, the weight is done by pounds, so if it's 5, it's going to be 5 pounds. If it's 5.25, it's going to be 5 1/4 pound. If it's 5.5, it's going to be 5 1/2 pound. So that's where you need to put the weight for the real-time shipping. Now, if you don't ship by weight and you want to ship on a per product basis, you can use this section right here, and you're just going to put in the amount of shipping you would charge on a per product basis. So let's say that you would charge $2.50. If one of these items were ordered, it would charge $2.50 shipping. If 2 of them were ordered, it would charge 5. 3, it would charge $7.50. It's kind of the old way of doing shipping. We like to offer it for people. So that's how you would do that. Now the frame target, for those of you using frames in your website, you know who you are. This is just a target where the shopping cart is going to show up in your frames. Usually that would be the main frame. The link to URL, now once a product is added to the shopping cart, it's going to be in an item list page. It's going to list all the items that are in the shopping cart. If you want the name of the product in that list to be a link that'll take them back to the page on your site where that product is, you just put the URL of where that product is on your website right there in the link to URL. Of course, any of these things that you don't understand, we can pick up with you later. This is just to show you a nice demo to see how easy it is to use this. The add item text is going to be default to add to shopping cart button. It's going to create a button like this that'll say add to shopping cart. If you want it to say buy now or purchase now or something like that, you can just change the text right here. If you want the add item image or the add to shopping cart button to be an image that you've made, then you can do that. So you just put the add to shopping cart image up on your server, and then you're just going to put the URL of where to grab that image here. So it'd be like http://www.yoururl.com/add-to-cart.gif, and then it'll grab that add to cart image and use that instead of the gray button. So in the options, you can have as many item options as you want per product. For this one, I'm just going to give you a couple. Let's do size. I always put select size as the first one, or select whatever the option is. And then let's do small, separated by semicolons, medium, large, and XXL. And for the XXL, let's add $2. Now I'll show you how that's done. You want to add another option. Let's go color, and then again select color, semicolon, red, green, and blue. Alright, you'll see that you can do the options as drop downs, radio buttons, check boxes, or text boxes. For these ones I've both done drop downs. Now once you've done that, you can click the view code button. It's going to create some HTML code for you. And at this point, all you're really going to do is just copy this code. And you can see this code in action. This would be like if it was the add to cart button on your website. And it's going to open and go into the HTTPS, and it's going to add this item name, and it's going to select, all of the sizes and colors and those kind of things as well. Now, just to add this to just to show you how you can add it to a e-commerce page, or to a WordPress page, just to make it simple for you. I have this page that we can use. Let's see. Let's just let's get to a test page. Edit this page. Now, how you're going to do this, it looks like I already have some code in here, but let me get that out. All you're going to do is you have visual and HTML. You're going to make sure you're in HTML. You're going to paste that code in. Then you're going to publish it. And then view that page. And you'll see that now I have item name, quantity 1, price is $100, shipping is $2.50, and you have your item options in there as well. And color, and if you click on small and red and add to shopping cart, you'll see that it goes to the shopping cart. Now once in the shopping cart here, when you're in the secure server, you can decorate this and make it look like your website by putting your logo image up here, changing the text color, the table backgrounds, those kind of things. And that's as easy as it is to build add to shopping cart code and to add this to a website. So all you need to really do now is just go ahead and select which package down below is best for you, and usually the package that is best is going to be the business package. Unless you have pretty low traffic, then you can go with standard, or if you have really high traffic, you'll want to go with the pro. But usually the business package is the best at $67 a month. Click the sign up button, go through the checkout process. Once we receive the order, we will assign a client code and a password and give you some instructions on how to get started. And of course, the best thing about this is we always have free support. We're here to help you, put this into your website. Once it's into the website, we're here to make sure that the shipping and the sales tax and everything is set up properly for you. So we have a full money back guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied or it doesn't work out for you, we'll just be happy to give you your money back. Of course, I don't see that happening because it's a great product. So again, pick your product that you like best, standard, business, or pro. Click the sign up button, and look forward to getting you started and working with you. Have a great day.